Hi, I am back with the review of the Fmart FM R330, a fresh Chinese robot which can vacuum and mop at the same time. Straight out of the box we have the user manual, the warranty certificate, the product itself, a remote control, 4 side brushes and a dust brush, a mop cloth, a charging bay, 2 HEPA filters and an adapter. The unit has a small air intake, usually seen in hard floor robot vacuums. 2 side brushes carry the task of agitating the debris. The 2 motor wheels are flexible. The on-off button is located on the bottom of the product. 4 cliff sensors prevent this Fmart from falling down high places. The mop tray is easily attachable to the robot. The cloth is washable and fluffy. The water reservoir is small and gets emptied quickly. The Fmart navigates randomly and produces a relatively decent noise. The suction is decent, but doesn't excel, as you can see in the following tests on both carpet and bare floors. Here's what the vacuum gathered after the second round of tests. As you can see, emptying the bin is relatively easy. The 2 filters ensure a safe environment for you and your family. Reaching the charging bay is possible if the robot is within 12 feet. There are a few cleaning modes one can choose from. The most common is the auto cleaning. Another mode is spot cleaning, here in action. The cliff sensors are reliable. The robot didn't fall off my desk, although I let it work there for at least 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and check out my blog for more tips and tricks on cleaning in general and vacuum cleaners in particular.